Hey, what's up, everybody? How is it going today? So, welcome to my advanced volatility and range scanner. So, what this does is, well, first of all, I believe it is by far one of the most powerful scanning tools on the market, if not the most powerful that I've ever seen. It took me a very long time to come to the conclusion that there needs to be a more efficient way to scan the market because we want to be directed to the fastest coin to trade. So I believe there's two main criterias to successfully trade. The first criteria is you have to be able to find the coin to trade, right? That makes sense. So how do you find the coin to trade? What are some of the criterias that you would be looking for when you are trading a coin? Are you just going to look for oversold or overbought conditions for RSI? Are you going to look for possible MACD crossovers and then you'll start looking at the chart? Are you going to look for something that moves a lot on TradingView or on Binance in terms of percentage movements for the day? Are you going to look for something that might break out on a daily time frame? So there's so many different ways. Like even are you looking for something that's trending above the 55 EMA or the 200 EMA? Are you looking at short or long, right? So there's many different criterias. And what I've developed is a way to scan using the most powerful indicator to me, which is a measurement of volatility. Volatility is one of the main criterias that you need to have if you want to trade a coin. Because when you think about a coin, there's two extremes, okay? Let's just take a look at here for a second. So there's two different extremes. There's one that's all the way on this side, and there's one that's all the way on this side over here, okay? So one on the far left, one on the far right. On this side over here, you're looking at something that might be going sideways for a long time, and there's not really anything going on, okay? That's going up and down in a range for a long period of time now, in a small range too. So when you think about it, do you want to trade something on the far left side that has sideways range, no volatility, perhaps even no volume as well? Probably not, because it's going to be very difficult for you to find a trade if there's no movement in the market. And then if you look on the other side as well, there's extreme volatility. When I'm talking about extreme volatility, I'm referring to something that has gone parabolic. And parabolic means that it's just going up and up and up and up and up and up. And it's going much faster to the upside than it is time-wise to the right. Some examples would be like when meme coins skyrocket or when Dogecoin, for example, spikes up if Elon Musk is tweeting about it. So these kind of events, they can cause parabolic movements. And the thing with parabolic movements on the far right side, which is the opposite of here, is that too much volatility, it can have too much risk as well. So trading parabolic coins, if you decide to long, it may drop anytime. If you decide to short, it may just keep going for a long period of time. So there's too much risk with trading extremely volatile coins. So what do you want to do? You want to find something that's in the middle, right? Something over here. That's a balance of not too sideways and not too parabolic or extremely difficult to trade. Something that's going to delicately balance your risk with your confirmation as well. So if you think about the three balances of trading, okay, it's going to come to delicately balancing your risk. How much risk do you want to assign? Your profitability for the trade or your possible profitability, and also the amount of confirmation that you're going to get. So if you can delicately balance all three of these, then I believe that you're going to have a much higher chance of finding really good trades to take. But now the other question is, how do you actually find these coins to trade? Well, that's what 9 years of experience has brought me to. It has brought me to the fact that I created something that allows me to scan the market in record time. It scans it in less than 20 or 30 seconds maximum. It populates everything on the screen here for you. And then it shows you exactly which coins you would want to be brought to. It shows you which ones are bearish, which ones are also bullish as well. So just as an example here, I've got 4 different columns, as you can see, 15, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. I can customize any of these columns to any time frame that I want to here. Not only that, I can also set the period of time. So for example, if I want to scan on the 4-hour time frame over a period of 5 days, I'm going to be scanning to see which one is volatile on the ATR. Okay, does that make sense? So the ATR is one of the best trending indicators out there. So based off of, for example, I'll just show you guys like this one, for example. Okay, we'll just look at this column because it's like easily available. Actually, I'll look at the middle column. Okay, this one right here, the middle. So that one there is my indicator number 3. So this one right here, if you see it right there, this one is set for scanning over 4 hours, okay, on a 5-day period, or 4-hour time frame on a 5-day period. Now, this anything that's trending bullishly, okay, is going to be highlighted green. So you can see that NKN, boom, it's automatically brought here right away, and it shows that this guy is trending bullishly above the ATR. So if I go to that coin, you're going to see it bullishly trending, okay? So if I go to, for example, my first one over here, okay? If I go to my first one, so if you take a look over here, okay, you can see that it has the same settings. And you can list any coin that you want. You can add any coin you want to the watch list. Okay, I have 240 or 268 coins, and on the 4-hour time frame, it's scanning over 5 days to see which ones are actually bullish above the chandelier exit indicator. Okay, so if I take a look at this chart, what you're going to see right away is that there's AJAX, okay, that's bullish. There's ALT as well. There's ANT, and there's ADA. And it also scans on the bearish side. So it shows you that AVAX is bearish and BONK is bearish. If you look for the bearish ones, maybe there's a chance for continuation. So just as an example, if I go to a coin like AJAX, okay, so AJAX USDP, what you're going to see immediately is that this coin is actually trending hard above the 4-hour chandelier exit indicator. Okay, so this ATR is amazing. If I were to go down over here from the price to where the ATR support there is 16%. Do you guys see that? That's 16% value. Well, right here, it's actually showing me the exact same thing as well. So this one here is a little bit delayed behind it, but it will catch up soon and get to 16%. Okay, so it's showing me that this is very close to the possible support line. If it gets there, it might bounce. So this has so many different applications. It's by like learning how to use it, and using the combinations is also extremely important. And this indicator is only available for my elite premium Discord group. That's it. And there's only a little bit over 100 people in the elite group right now. I created an advanced elite group in my trading floor, and they're also learning my new AI strategies, which is making all of us a lot of money combined with my other strategies. So this is by far one of the best indicators that I've ever seen out. It's built on PineScript. It's only on TradingView and invite only for my trading group. And I know for a fact that we are going to be able to find tons of trades based off of this. So just as an example, right now it's set to scan on the 4-hour time frame, which one is bullish above the 4-hour time frame on a 5-hour period. So I'm seeing the coins right now. I'm seeing AJAX, I'm seeing ALT, I'm seeing ANT, I'm seeing ADA, I'm seeing Ethereum, I'm seeing FET. Not only that, these coins have the ability to also show me the range as well. So not only is it scanning to see which one is bullish above the specific time frame chandelier exit indicators, but it can also show this. Let me just randomly show you this. So I can also scan, for example, the range, okay? So the range, if I set the criteria, I can set the criteria for any of these three. Okay, so this green box will only show up if whichever one is checked. So if I check only one of these boxes, if the criteria is met where it needs to trend over 5 days on a 4-hour time frame, then it's going to light up green. But I can also set it so that it needs to be close within 5% of the stop loss range. And the stop loss range, what it refers to is the price difference between the current price now, or the percentage difference between the current price now and also the chandelier exit. So if I would like to find a coin that's, for example, very, very close to the chandelier exit because it might bounce, right? I might want to set it so that I would only scan for something that is showing you, for example, 5% or maybe 3%. So 5% upwards, right? So if something is within, say, this range right here, 5%, then boom, it's going to also light up green there for me. So let's see if we can actually find a coin right now. Let's just take a look at, for example, let's use the first column, okay? The first column over here. So now I'm going to change the criteria to the first column needs to trend over 5 days with on a 4-hour time frame, and it needs to be within a 5% range, okay? So 5% range, and now I'm also going to just click OK, and then it's going to load it here for me. It takes about 10 seconds, 15. So now the ones that are highlighted green, they first of all need to be trending, okay, bullishly or bearishly in a period of 5 days over the 4-hour time frame, and it needs to be very close to the stop loss range. And boom, we can see right away that Ant and ADA are two coins that are trending very close to it. So now if we go to a coin, for example, ADA, ATA, what we're going to see on the 4-hour is that boom, right here. Do you guys see that? It is trending right at the 4-hour time frame, which means there's a possibility of a bounce. It's not guaranteed, but it pointed me out to it right away without even me needing to do anything. And then there's also ANT, A-N-T. So we see ANT is going to be in the very similar situation, okay? And we see that ANT over here is also very, very close as well. Boom. So it's getting kind of close to within 5%. So this allows you to do so many things. You can customize it however you want for the parameters. Now, let's just say I'm looking for a coin, okay? Let's just double click here again. Now, instead of looking for a stop loss range, I'm now going to uncheck it. So now this criteria needs to be met, and then I'll check mark the third condition where in the 5 days here, see that? The 5-day period here, in those 5 days, I want to look for a coin that is moving a lot, okay, in the 5 days. And it needs to move more than, say, 25% over 5 days. So now what this is going to do is I just click on OK, and it's going to bring me, it's going to load it up, and all the boxes that are green here, it's going to highlight green, and it's going to mean that over the 5-day period, it's one, trending bullishly above the 4-hour time frame, and two, it's trending more than 25% over those 5 days. So let's see what coins pop up here, if there's anything. And boom, there's only one coin that has been meeting this criteria, which is Ajax, okay? So we know that Ajax is by far the most volatile coin just in this column. You have to do it manually for each column, but I was just giving you this one as an example. So can you guys see the power of this coin, like of this scanner? It is so amazing, and I am so excited to have it released finally after in development for almost a month, and then 2 months prior planning it to get the parameters properly. I am working with a very talented programmer, and I'm so glad that we have the ability to release something like this. So right now, guys, nobody can get this scanner. Unfortunately, there's only an elite group that I'm running right now. So there's an elite Discord group that I'm running, and they get access to this indicator of mine. So right now, if you go to daytradersclub.teachable.com in the link below, you're welcome to read everything that it comes with. Okay, this is my advanced trading mastery. It comes with the CoinScanner, it comes with the AI confirmation course, and it comes with the price action and volume analysis course as well. So this is something completely brand new. I introduced an advanced trading method to my group, teaching them an AI strategy that I've been spending about 3 months learning, and probably about 500-600 hours now. So they're getting access to this brand new course that teaches my AI strategies, and a lot of people are extremely profitable with it already. So then you're getting that new course, the Advanced Trading Mastery course. Not only that, you're getting the elite tier membership to my Discord group. And it's very, very different because with the elite tier, we talk about the AI strategies, and you also get access to my advanced coin scanner as well, which will 100% find you way more coins to trade than anywhere else. So right now, the signups are closed. I'm only allowing 10 people to join a month at a discounted price. you can pay the full price to get in. It's $1,249 for non-lifetime members already, okay? If you're not a lifetime member, what you're going to need is you need my old course as well, okay? Upon enrollment, you will also gain exclusive access to the Emergency Bull Market Survival Guide course. And you're also getting this as well, the Advanced Mastery course, and you're getting the CoinScanner as well, okay? So basically what you're going to get is the elite tier access for life. You're going to get exclusive and limited slots only for the advanced group. There's advanced traders in there as well. Okay, you're going to get access to the advanced coin scanner. Okay, and you're going to get access to all the courses as well. But if you're a lifetime member and you want to get in now, okay, you can pay $9.95. That's unfortunately the price because it's such a limited group. Also, you can wait to see if one of those 10 slots you can actually get in every single month, because that's going to go by very fast. I've got a huge wait list already of people that want to get into the group at a discounted price, and everyone's going to have to wait, unfortunately. At that price, it'll be more discounted, but of course, you risk not getting one of the 10 slots. So if you really want to get into this group, it's a wonderful group where you will find so many trades with us. And this advanced coin scanner, there's nothing like it out right now. Okay, guys, you need an ability to find the best coins to trade every single day in a bull market. And if you have that ability to find the coin to trade, and the second criteria I forgot to mention was that after you find the good coins to trade, you need to have a solid strategy that's going to allow you to ride it to the maximum amount. And that's why I've developed a new AI strategy that gives me confirmation that's going to help me make those important decisions of when to enter the trade and especially when to exit the trade. Nothing like this has ever been done before in the past because it's newer technology that is now in PineScript and available, and I'm super excited to share it with people. So I hope to see a lot of you guys as my students. I hope to see a lot of you pick up these new strategies. This advanced AI strategy and the coin scanner is one of the two things that you guys need to pick up to really elevate your trading to the next level. I'll see you in the group, in the elite group. Bam.